Hey guys, I'm so glad you decided to join me again. Today we're going to be making some salt dough beads. So you guys don't have to turn yours into a necklace. Obviously I did. Super cool, clearly. I did include the recipe at the bottom of the YouTube video, but you're going to need a half cup flour, half cup salt, 1/4 cup hot water, and a little pokey thing so you can drill little holes into your beads. So you're going to start by putting in a 1/4 cup of hot water and then adding half a cup of salt. Lots of salt, I know. And then you're going to add a half a cup of flour. Mix that baby up. So after mixing all of that together, I realized it looked like the world's saddest bowl of cornflakes, so I added some more water because I really want a Play-Doh kind of consistency. Alright, see, that's the kind of dough that I'm looking for. Okay, so now put some saran wrap or a paper towel over it and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes so it can harden. Love those sounds of crinkly paper, am I right? Okay, so if you haven't guessed by now, you're gonna need a parchment paper and a cooking pan because you're gonna roll your salt dough into little balls. Then you're gonna take some kind of pointy thing and drill a hole through so that you can put your string through once they finally cook. Now do that like 60 bazillion more times and put them in your oven at 250 degrees for about 20 minutes. Once they're done cooking, you need a water cup, a paintbrush, some string, and some paint. Now you can totally use a paper plate to put your paint on, but I'm going to go ahead and use my parchment paper. Now you want to paint the front half of your beads, not the back half of your beads, because you want them to dry before flipping them over. Trust me on this. Once they're dry and you flip them over, you can definitely paint the back half. I thought I was going to actually use pink during this, but it turns out I really love that turquoise, blue, and white, so I had at it and had a good time doing it. Do really make sure that they are dry before flipping them over, otherwise they'll stick the parchment paper, it'll be this hot mess, and you'll be severely disappointed. So once you've finished painting all your beads, you can start stringing them together. Now, I actually braided some of my twine because I was like, oh, that'll look really good aesthetic, and I'm a hippie, so I'm gonna do that. And I didn't even use all my beads, but you can totally use all your beads. You can braid your twine, you can not braid it, you can do whatever you want with it. I'm super excited to see what you guys come up with. So once again, please post to SeeSaw so that I can see what you guys have done, and I look forward to seeing more artwork.